Adding fractions with the same denominator, what does it mean? If you haven't seen the Introduction to Fractions video, do take a look at that. Here's a pizza and it's been divided into 5 equal pieces. There's 1/5 out of the whole 5 pieces. And remember that the number at the top is the numerator and the number at the bottom is the denominator. If we have 2/5 of that pizza and then we add on another 1/5, how many fifths do we have altogether? And you can see that there are 3/5 there. Notice that the denominator stays the same, but we add the 2 and the 1 numerator to make 3. Let's have a look at another one. 5/8 add 2/8. Here we have 8 blocks and 5 of the 8 have been shaded in green. 5 out of 8, that's 5/8. Beside that we're adding on 2/8. We have 8 more blocks and 2 of those have been shaded green. How many eighths do we have altogether? There's an extra little step that isn't always taught in school, which helps to avoid the common mistake children often make where they add the 2 eighths together to make 16, which would give them the incorrect answer. Remember, we're looking for how many eighths there are altogether, so we're going to put 8 as a denominator here, and above that we add the numerators together. So we have 5 add 2. So we have 5/8 add 2/8, and we're avoiding adding those 8s together by mistake. How many eighths do we have altogether? If we look at that in the blocks, that's 7, and you can see in these 8 blocks, 7 of the 8 are shaded green. And looking just at the numbers, adding the numerators together, 5 add 2 is 7. So 5/8 add 2/8 makes 7/8. Here's another one to go through. If you're ready to have a go at this on your own, pause the video, see how you get on. We have 8/16 add 5/16. This chocolate box holds 16 chocolates, and there are 8 chocolates in there. 8 out of 16. We're adding on some more chocolates. This time out of 16 we have 5. How many 16ths do we have altogether? Remember to put that 16 on its own so that we don't accidentally add those 2 16s together. And remember that we're adding just the numerators. 8 add 5 to tell us how many 16ths we have altogether. If we take that first box of 8, put that beneath the total, and then we add on the other 5, out of that box that holds 16, we have 13 chocolates. 13/16. Pause the video, see how you get on with this one. 3/6 add 2/6. Again, remember not to add those 6's together. The denominator is 6. Add the numerators. 3 add 2. How many sixths do we have altogether? And we had 3 pink ones, add 2 pink ones, which gives us 5 pink ones on the bar. 5 out of 6. And if we add those numerators together at the top, 3 add 2, that's 5. We have 5/6. Pause the video, have a go at this one. 3/10 add 5/10. Here we have 3/10 of a pizza, and here we have 5/10 of a pizza. How many tenths are there altogether? We add those 3/10 to the 5/10. There are 8/10 of the pizza. We're going to have a go at this one. This time we're going to leave out the middle step, and remember that we don't add those denominators together. 4/10 add 5/10. So here we have a bar of chocolate with 10 squares in it, and we're going to take 4 of those tenths and add on 5 of those tenths. How many tenths do we have altogether? Remember that the denominator will stay as tenths. We take the 5 tenths, add the 4 tenths on, that gives us 9 tenths. Have a go at this one. 13 over 32, add 7 over 32. Pause the video, have a go. Here we have 13 out of the 32 squares shaded in blue, and beside that we have 7 blue out of the 32 squares. How many out of 32 do we have altogether? Remember the denominator stays as 32 and we add the numerators together. 13 add 7, that's 20.